Sitting here and writing, not forgotten, forgotten, 10. Forgot, forget, forget 10. I am on X. I have not left the house. This X marks the spot of the gold. I am at point 0. Looking for X marks the spot. 0 times X, or 0 and X. Okay, or 0X, as X is the 24th letter and is also 10 in Roman numerals. Roman numerals. It creates 1024, the difference is 14. 1024, the difference is 14. Difference is 14. X and X equals to 34 DC, which is created 1 times 3, 1 plus 3. Now, if this is true, okay, numerals, okay, if this is true, okay, X is also the 24th number, which means 6, okay? So now that I have 0 equals to 15, okay, and if 0 equals to 15, 1 and 5 equals to 6. The reverse of that is 1 and 2, because the L reverses in the alphabet, the 12th and the 15th letter make 27. Okay, 15 and 12, which is now 6 and 3 in Pythagorean. The 8 is the reverse and the 7 to 6 odds. The seventh gate in craps to numbers 6 and 8, telling me that 6 is on the other side because 8 is involved. 1 is odd and 1 is also even at this point, because 5 is the actual dividing standstill. 5 is that dividing standstill. And because of that, this is what's so exciting for me, and I hope you can feel this excitement come out. It just told me that in order to understand pi, because of Pythagorean bringing everything down to its own level, right, you have to do the reverse relationship. And I need to put pi times 2. When I go pi times 2, I get 6, 28, 21, 94. And then I get 31 or 37. But this one can be changed. This can be 6 to 8, 27. The moon and the sun. 9-4 is Uranus. It is also Pluto. And Mars coming together is 13 altered current. And because of the number together, it creates Uranus. Half of that is 47. That is the cycle. 4 times 7, 4 months of 30 days, 7 months of 31 days. I'm not going to tell you. 30 is creation, 31 is altered current. I don't know what they mean yet. I have to put it together with other terminologies. Okay, 28 is the cycle in our moon. 47 is the happening of the electric of the passage of the cycle in the moon, or something that goes in. 1 and 2 goes in, the high world, the high sky. 1 and 2 fits in this. How does 1 and 2 fit into the whole thing? Let me unscramble it. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 35 is electric company. It is Venus to Earth. The association of the trophy. You hold one handle, I'll hold the other. I'll vibrate everything. It'll go back to you, go back to me. And then we're all living on the same solid ground, just divided. I think it could be divided even inside the ocean. The ocean has islands. There's only certain places to pass. You can't pass all over the ocean and just go. It's impossible. There's islands. I want to know where all the islands are, because I think that's the key. Because at one point, we were all islands. All we have is islands. Putting the bridges, the T's and the G's together. The big M, right? If you really look at a bridge, the bridge is the big M. From one side, the other side, and in between. M and M, N and M. N can be the docks. Anyways, so we get this pi situation coming into, instead of 3.1415, which is the word no. Which is the word no. 14th letter and 15th letter. 1 and 4 is 5. 1 and 5 is 6. 14 and 15 is 92. All the numbers in 1. If I multiply this by 3, what do you think all these numbers will say? I can give you the answer right now. And I'm going to be right, even by guessing. I'm going to get, if I multiply all of pi by 3, I can already tell you the answer. I'm not going to be in order, but I'm going to be freaking close. It's going to start off like this: 9 3 3 3 6 9 6 9 6 9 3 3 6 9 3 3 3 3 9 9 9 3 3 3. Don't you understand? 3 turns everything. You only need one turn or one part turn. Okay, it's a freaking triangle. You need only one part turn to be in between all the other sides. Just double it up, 2 triangles. The opposites of each other is the in-between of the other triangle. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. I have not forgot 10.